everyone, this is Sarji and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna share to you how to get rid of your acne, pimples, blackheads instantly within 24 hours. So I have a little backstory. When I was in the Philippines, when I was working in Davao City, and I have this friend of mine who every payday we always treat ourselves. It's either like going to the movies and then or treat ourselves like facial treatment. So I know them that they have friends who have a dermal clinic, something like that. So some of my coworker is having this what you call that, diamond peel, and like any other treatment, laser or everything. But my only concern was I just want to get rid of my pimples. So she got this little stuff that extract your blackheads, pimples, and then acne, everything. So I would just feel so, it hurts a little, but it was so relaxing. But after that my blackheads are gone, but it just leaves some blemishes and redness on your face. But and then it just something, so that's how it works. That was in the Philippines. So every time I have blackheads and I want to clean this side of my nose, because sometimes it has this like dirty stuff on the side of the nose, blackheads over here, over here, over here, over here, and pimples, acne everywhere. So I just go to her clinic and then get rid of the stuff. And then okay, I'm gonna tell you like the position of the pimples identifies the problems. So for example, we have this pimples, acne causes by stress, lack of sleep, and hormonal imbalance. So I'm gonna tell you if the pimples and acne or blackheads are located in this area of your face, on the forehead and on the chin, that most probably because of stress and lack of sleep. If it shows on this side of your face, it is basically a hormonal imbalance. The good thing about it is I don't have a problem figuring it out, because it's all over my face, and I don't care. I mean, it's here, 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 here. It's still pimple, it's still acne, and it's still bothering my confidence. So every time I have acne, every time I have this special event, like going to like every month we have a report presenting to the boss, I want to be felt confident, so I go to her. And then there's one time that I'm in a little backstory again. I've been in a long distance relationship, and there's one time then we're gonna meet for the first time. And it was like I was scared and nervous. So the thing is, he's supposed to arrive Friday, and I set up an appointment. I set up an appointment for that dermal clinic Wednesday night. So I still have a lot of time to heal on the process for Thursday. And then so Friday, even though it has a little blemishes and redness on my face, I can cover up with makeup. So the thing is, so I have this big acne in my forehead. Like acne is so big, it's so shiny and big, something like that, if you know what I'm talking about. So this big acne, it takes a while to heal, and it leaves, when it heals, it really leaves a mark. And it's, if you don't get to the main problem, it will go back out. So something like that, it will show up again. So the thing is, this dermal clinic, I told her that this is my problem. I want to how to get rid of this stuff in just like 24 hours. And then she told me she can do it. And like I said, wow, and then let's do it. And she have this injection. So she inject those big acne, and then by 24 hours, or if after a few hours or overnight, by the morning it will flatten. The big pimples will be gone. So this injection is so cold. I don't know the exact term, but the simple and easiest term is, they call it the steroid shots. So this is like so it's very important to to know that it's only the right person will apply it, because if you put too much on it, it has side effects on it. So, but you know, that it works like a miracle, and it's gone 24 hours a day. I mean, it's gone by the morning, you know, like Thursday morning. But still, I still have those, you know, like from the blackheads and this cleaning up on the side of the nose. So still the redness is still there. And so when I went to work, I don't put any makeup on, and it's just, you know, bare face. So because Thursday I was planning to meet my so-called boyfriend that time, my husband now. So I was supposed to meet him Friday, so it gives me the window of Thursday to, you know, clear up everything, the redness and blemishes for one day. So by Friday I can just, you know, cover with makeup, and it's just fine. But then again, it was Thursday that I was working so hard because I need to get off Friday because I need to meet this guy. And then like by that Thursday afternoon, I received a call from him. Well, I received a call from him. Well, I was working. There's 3 offices I work in Davao City, and there's 3 offices in there that I need to. I think I need working on the reports in every offices. So what happened here? What happened there is it was hot and humid, and I stink, and my face is so red. Can you imagine? I was jumping from one office to another, and yeah, can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? I'm so, you know, like just working on it, so I'm so excited and so nervous to meet this guy by Friday. But here comes this guy, my husband now, my boyfriend that time, calling me and telling me that he's in front of the office. And I told him, like, what office? Like, I'm here in front of your office. Like, I've been in 3 different places and I'm not in the main office. So that's what happened. My battery is 10%, my phone battery is 10%, and after I told him this, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, the phone cuts off. So can you imagine how he's feeling when the phone cuts off and telling those 3 lines, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. So the way it is, he's thinking like, oh no, this girl is such a scam. I mean, what's the point? I'm gonna go back to the hotel, I'm gonna fix my stuff, I'm gonna go back to Manila and fly back home. Like, I don't want to waste my time over here because this girl doesn't want to meet me. But unfortunately, I was so mad because this is what happened when you are planned to do such thing, and when everything doesn't go as planned, especially like when I told him that at the time, like I was working on this day because I was going to get off Friday to meet him. So I was so busy, I can't even like, thinking how can I get off that day. So thing is like me or myself, like, oh no, I can't do this. Like, oh my god, my face is so freaking red because of what happened on the Wednesday night, and I'm not so confident. I stinks. I need to go back to my boarding house and get ready, like go shower and try to go to hotel and tell him like, I'm sorry, I never meant to say it, because it's just like I don't like surprises. So this is what happened. Okay, so eventually I go back to the boarding house and shower, freshen up, and then go to the hotel. I know where he stays, and it's just that time he was sleeping, taking a nap because it's a long flight. So I don't know. So I just wait on the lobby, something like that. But the thing is, like, like my face is red and I have pimples. The redness is still there. But like, oh no, this is our first time to meet each other, and this is my face. Like, how can my confidence is gone. My confidence was gone. So it's just like, oh, okay, like. First day, meet me on my worst. This is my worst self, and this is what it looks like. I got acne, I got everything, so just take it or leave it, so something like that. And yeah, and the rest is history. so that's what happened. But thing is, it's this by Friday, those injections really affects. It clears up my whole face. I just need time, like the interval of Thursday. I'm just waiting on that one day to feel this redness to heal the redness on the face. So it works perfectly. But here comes fast forward I'm in the US now, and I don't have that treatment anymore because I don't, I mean, I'm away in the Philippines and I don't know how it works here in the US. So what happened is, like, for 2 years staying in the US, my acne and my blackheads and pimples are back. So it was all covered again. Not until like I discovered a product that really works for me, and ever since then that it really works, I continue buying and buying all the products or this brand, the products of this brand. So I'm gonna share it to you on the other video. And so this one's like, although I have this product that controls my pimple, for some reason some pimples, blackheads show up 1, 2, 3 blackheads every month. But the thing is, there's an easy remedy for that. So I have this kit, home removal, blackhead removal kit that I ordered in Amazon. So it is basically from China. So it took me a month for this to it took them a month to deliver it, like, because it's from China. No matter what, it takes time, so at least one month. And then it's actually like less than $10. It's $6, and it works miracle for me. It's just like it gives you a little pain. So I'm just gonna tell you how I use this product on my face. So it's a little painful, guys. It's a little painful, but guys, I have 2 kids and I gave birth to them naturally without medicine. So I've been in a lot of pain. So this is easy, you know. So this is so easy. It's like what you call that? Tiis ganda moment. Yeah. So this is what we call tiis ganda moment. So when this thing is done, you feel confident by yourself. You feel confident because the acnes are gone, you know. So I'll be showing a little demonstration of how I use this product. So let's start.
Di ba na-remember niyo pag mag-makeup, parang may, may yellow dito sa part?
So ito yung blackheads. This is the blackheads. Ito yung nakuha natin sa this is what we got from the nose. So yeah, I'm glad it's gone. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video.